welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy and I make videos about nails and makeup and hair and exercise and live streams. If that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe. Today we're going to put on these Impress Couture nails. They have pretty diamonds in them. I don't have any makeup on today because I'm having a CO2 laser in just a few minutes, and I wanted to look pretty when I go to the appointment. Since I can't be pretty with makeup, we're going to be pretty with nails. So we was going to do our nails real quick. I had a pair of blue nails on, and I just took those off. I didn't think to record them until it was too late, but it was the second set. I've made those and did a video on them before. So let's look at these real quick. Got our nails. And some of the nails I will go ahead and kind of file down a little bit, the edges, so that they're not so squared off and that they will fit better in my nail bed. But especially these thumbs. My thumbnails are not squared at the bottom like that. And I did use some Magic Press, what is it? It's Red Therapy. See, this one's too big. We're not going to use that one. And it's better to get the nails a little on the small side than too large. You don't want them too small, but you want so that's a good size. So I'm going to just file these off a little bit. My right hand's a little bit bigger than my left, and so that really works out good for these nails. If you had your both hands identical, you wouldn't be able to get two sets out. But since I've got one hand that's bigger, I can. Make sure, okay, so that's this one and this one. So is this going to work? So I'm going to file this down, the edges down a little bit at the back. Okay. What about this one here? Yeah, these are going to fit. I still have a little bit of adhesive on my nails from the last set. I just paint over it, and that's okay with me. Okay. Now we need the little teeny tiny pinky nails. They're white. These do not seem like 30 nails to me. They might be to fit our fingers next time. We might have to do one that's like too small or something like that, and just, you know, bend it up. Okay, the next thing we do is I paint my nails, the tip of it, the top half. Now I put this little skinny, tiny one on here. And I had to kind of scoot it up high, a little bit higher on my cuticle, so that it would cover the whole nail. And the next nail's a little bit bigger. Alrighty. Now the next nail. The next time I do these, I can do both. The next time I do them, I might or might not do it on camera since we've already done one set like it, but I might. Give us something to do. And these are so pretty. You know, even I have a friend that I do her nails, which I don't think her nails ever look good because of stuff she has me do with them, but she feels pretty, and so that's what counts. But so, like, even if you can't do your makeup, which she could do, well, I don't know that she could now. She's just never been a makeup wearer, and now she has other health problems, so makeup be the least of her concern. But she likes to have her nails done, makes her feel pretty. And I'm just painting these with, I've got some Sally Hansen, excuse me, Double Duty, the basic top coat and base coat. Probably I need to find some like sticky base coat. I hadn't really looked that hard. I might do a search. I'm off the next couple of days. Aren't these pretty so far? I do like darker colors than this, but this is what it was. This will go with my yellow sweater, or my yellow top, not sweater. So this one here, I didn't get all the way down to the cuticle either because I didn't want to have to cut my own nail. Probably when I go back to work, I'll have to trim them down a little bit so I'm tight. And I keep clear in my purse. And so like if, you know, something comes loose or something, I can just pull it off and straighten it up. Those nails that I did last week, I did not like them at all. They were like old style. They were just like plastic. And they just didn't stick. They didn't have good adhesive. I was pretty irritated about the whole thing. I left a 2-star review because whenever they did the advertisement on it, they advertised the new ones. That's the picture they showed. I mean, there may have been some fine print in there or something about how, you know, packaging may be different. But the thing with that packaging, it's not just it's different packaging. It was a different formula that they were using on the new ones. And so I got 2 sets that are just crap. I might get some like nail glue. And I'm not going to put it on mine, but my granddaughters, or one of them, she don't care about her nails, and give them to her. She'll probably take some more also, which is fine. I'm going to try to declutter some stuff. I hate to just throw it away. Some stuff I am. Anything that's I've opened, I'm going to go ahead and just chunk that. But anything that's not open, I'm going to hoping that they'll take them. Because I think I like these best. I just think they're safer all around. You know, they protect your nails better. Okay, so now before we do anything else, which I need to get me another bottle, which I've got another one in there, I'm going to go ahead and try to seal these in with my first coat of sealant. And then a little bit later, I'll do a second coat of sealant. These work out really good, like if you do them at night and then go to bed, they've really had a chance to dry. A lot of times if you do them in the day, you've been putting your hands in water and stuff, but, you know, try to keep your hands out of water for, you know, an hour or so. The longer the better. And it works out better, but that goes true for anything, any nails. That's the reason it's better to do it at night. And normally, a lot of times at night, I don't want to do it because I need to take my makeup off, and I don't like making videos without makeup, you know, unless I'm doing my makeup on the video or unless I'm exercising. And so, but today was different. I wasn't supposed to wear makeup, and I wanted to do my nails on camera. Alrighty. So let's take a quick look at these, and then we're going to be done. So this is what these look like. I would have liked to have done more sparkle and liked to have done more contrast, but mine, like thumb and middle finger, are so big that I needed to just use white, and then the white's the only option they had for the pinkies. So this is what we got going on. Next time, hopefully these middle fingers, I'll be able to file something down enough to fit, because it said it was 30 nails, but I feel like I didn't have as much options. So I've got this big diamond on here. This one diamond's kind of crooked. I think it actually is crooked. It's not that I put it on my finger crooked, but that's okay. You know, your hands will be moving. No one will see them. So I hope you like these. Typically, the ones I took off today, I could have worn them longer. I just wanted to change them. So I'm not into just leaving it on for, 3 weeks. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. Y'all have a great day and work on your nails. Bye-bye.